just want to do a trading recap video for the end of the day. It is 3:12 Central Time, 4:12 Eastern Time. Market just closed. And I have this Bulenox account I got today. It's a 50,000 account, so profit on that today was 1,181 on the first day. So I'm going to do these video reviews to try to keep up with some of these prop firms and the for the recap, so that way we could start getting paid on these prop firms instead of just trading evaluations. I know Noah's been doing awesome on that, keeping up, and he's got a bunch of accounts. Julian has been doing good on his My Funded Future account, but this is on the Bulenox. Right now they have a sale going on. It is 90%. Let me go over that real quick. If you go to their Bulenox, and I'll leave the link and the code for the 90%, it ends tonight. So if you just go down there, the 50,000 one, right now if you get it, it is $17.90. So less than 20 bucks, you can pick up a couple of those. The good thing about Bulenox is they do not have trading rules, so you could scalp, you could dollar cost average in. So if you want to go there and pick up some of those accounts, pretty cool. There's the the 25,000, 90%. Just use the code PFT 2024, and I will put that in the link. So anyways, let's go back to our charts. This is the 30-minute. This is the IBR range, the 1 hour. As you can see, this was the open 8:30, and this is 9 o'clock, 9:30. So from 8:30 to 9:30, that's an hour. That's the range right there. Now I did take some scalps from when it broke out, going back into the 50%. So I was basically done within this from like when it broke out here, going back into 50%. I was basically done with my trades. Went to lunch, I came back, I saw this setup here. It broke out of the low of the range, and now it looks like it's going back into the range. I won't be surprised if we do go back in and close that out. That's the good thing about this range here. We are at the pivot point. You can see we went all the way up here, broke out of the range, came back to the pivot point. Went here, came back to the pivot point, and it will go back to that range. So these levels right here in the IBR range, the 1 hour when the market opens, it's pretty good. As you can see, we're down S1 right here. So that was a good place to scalp going up. Now keep in mind, this is the 30-minute chart, 30-minute candles. So it has some pretty good volatility there. So I sold up here, bought down here, and that is the profit for today, 1,181. On the Bulenox, 50,000, 50K account. So in order to pass this, I have to make 3,000, but I'll keep that in edge. So 1181 is our profit for today. I will make a calendar and start tracking these trades daily, so that way we can have a follow-up. As you can see, it's trying to make it back into the open, which it will. It's a good, when it comes out, just look to take buys until it hits that range. Of course, you always want to use your charts, your Renko charts. I mean, just go when it's down here. You know you want to buy because it wants to go back up. Just take the price action bars, the higher lows, the lower lows. So just simple as that. Looks like right now it wants to get to it. So that's the trading recap for today's trades. 1,181 Bulenox 50K account. I will leave the link so you can go there if you want to pick up an account on it. It is less than 20 bucks. The good thing about that, there's no rules as far as scalping in the way that we trade dollar cost average in. Talk to y'all later.